Don't forget SPAG. Ensure you check your spelling, punctuation, and grammar on each of your papers. Tip number 17 of 21 exam success tips, written by Megan Smith. Marks for spelling, punctuation, and grammar are awarded in every exam, whether it's science or in English. Ensure to take time, 5 minutes before the end of your exams, to check through your paper and correct any mistakes you may have made. Should you be unsure of a certain spelling, you should think whether there are any synonym you could use to avoid incorrect spellings. Taking time to correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation may mean the difference between grades. Not only is it important to make sure you get SPAG correctly, yes, up to 5 marks are awarded for spelling, punctuation, and grammar. It also creates a good impression in the mind of the examiner. Sometimes it puts examiners off if your spelling is just appalling, so you need to be very careful, and it creates a bad impression of you. Avoid sloppiness. Make sure you take SPAGs seriously. Now, just one thing I'll say. English is the most widely spoken language. Since you happen to be studying in English, you may want to make sure that you capitalize on that and make the best of it, because being able to speak English and writing it as well gives you quite a lot of advantage in life. Let's just look at some commonly misspelled or misused word. I mean, penalize, penalty, that can be a little bit complex, but as Megan says, as she says in what I read out at the start of this video, use synonyms that are, as a replacement, other words. Another one is practice. Practice, the noun, is spelled with a CE at the end of it, of the word. The verb, as in, go and practice, is spelled with SE. In England. In America, they spell everything with SE, I think, at the end. So either the noun or the verb. If you have to take a risk, spell everything with SE, because that is the American way. And actually some teachers in Britain don't know, they don't discriminate between the two. But it is different. The noun, as in the doctor's practice or accountancy practice, is spelled with a CE, while the verb is spelled with a SE at the end. So just be aware the importance of SPAG. It's only a question of taking 10 minutes at the end of your paper to look at your spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Just before I go, let me just add one quick thing to it. As for the sciences and math, you are often asked to work things out. 2 things: show you're working out, show every step of your working out, because in case you make a mistake with the final answer, you still get marks for the working out. The second thing is to put a unit at the end of something you worked out. For example, you work out the temperature, you calculated it or observed it to be 60 degrees C. Put 60 degrees C instead of just putting 60, because sometimes you will lose 1 mark for not doing that. So let's just wrap this short video. Let's just wrap it up. Check your SPAG. Units for science subjects also is important. Remember to dot your I's and cross your T's. Watch out for SPAG. Thank you for watching tip 17 of 21 exam success tips, written by Megan Smith. Thank you.